Hi guys! So today we're going to talk about math stuff. Today we're going to talk about the area of the figure, and we are here with me. So subscribe. Alright, so what is the meaning of the word area? So let's see. It is the measure of the space inside its perimeter. So we already know from last class what perimeter is. So now we're gonna see. We have a figure here. Let's look at the figure. Here, over here. We have the figure and the space inside its the area. Now, let's look a little bit closer to it. So, by calculating the area of a shape, we discover how much space it takes up. So, we have the same figure. Let's look at it. Same figure, but we're gonna count to see how much space it takes. So how many cubes are the area of this figure? So let's count. First cube, then we have the second cube, third, four, then we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So the area of this shape is 12. 12 cubes, 12 little squares. So let's see, it's the space inside a figure. So we know we're going to learn how to calculate the area of some figures. So first, we're going to start with the area of a rectangle. So we use a formula. Let's look at this picture that I made myself from Canvas. And I made a rectangle. It is a yellow one. And then we have this over here. It's the width. And here, this over here, the long one in the base, is the length. So to calculate the area of a rectangle, we use area equals to length times width, or length multiplied by width. So this is the length. So whichever number is here, I'm gonna put it in here. And this is the width. So whichever number is here, we're gonna place it in here. So it's basically the same with the area of a square, which is pretty much the same. We use the same formula. Look at the image. We have a blue square over here. We have the same measures, width and length, and we have the same formula. Area equals to length times width. We have one different though, which is the area of a side angle triangle. Have you ever seen one? Well, it's like if we cut a rectangle in half, we slice it up, we have something like this with a formula a little bit different, like this. You see? So we have the same measures, width and length. Width over here and length over here. But let's look at the formula. The formula changes a little bit. We have still length times width, but after we do this multiplication over here, we need to divide by 2. See? Area equals to brackets, length times width, close brackets, and then I divide by or into 2. See? A little bit different. That's all. We have other names for length and width. Length can also be base, and width can also be height. So that's pretty much it. And now it's trivia. Among all the shapes with same perimeter, a circle has the largest area. So, pretty cool though. So, see you next time, kiddos.